Learn English. Let's play a word game. Today is November 25th, 2022. Today, top level verb game. 10 questions. We are using the Svano vocabulary. 8,000. Number 1. That was amazing. My mind. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. It boggled my mind. And we also make this adjective. We say it was mind-boggling. Number 2. What will he do? Answer, he will. The cards. I'll show you a picture. It's this motion when you're playing cards to mix the order of the cards up. The first missing letter is an S, and the second missing letter is an H. Shuffle. He'll shuffle the cards. We use shuffle for real things like cards, and we also use this word as a metaphor. It's 7 p.m. The sky is beginning to. This means to become less bright. Darken. The sky's beginning to darken. Why did you? The furniture. It means, why did you move everything? Why did you change the position of everything again? Rearrange. Why did you rearrange the furniture? The military jet crashed. The pilot is fine. He from the plane. This means he came out of the airplane and he parachuted down to safety. He ejected from the plane. These words might be confusing for you. Please see your dictionary. For the next word, we're talking about a seat belt in a car. We are at Bob's place now. You can. Your seat belt. Similar to open. Unfasten. You can unfasten your seat belt now. It's the opposite of to fasten your seat belt. You, that our products will last for a long time. This word is similar to promise. And the first missing letter is a U. Guarantee. We guarantee you that our products will last for a long time. How would you? This music. This means to put something into a certain group. Categorize. How would you categorize this music? Of course, it's related to the noun category. What is she doing? Answer, she is. I'll show you a picture. It's this activity. She is making clothes using wool or cotton. And the first letter is a silent K. Slowly knitting. Quickly knitting. She's knitting. She's using knitting needles. The long things we call needles. Oh no, we have a problem. Both sides have. This is in politics, in an election. Both sides are saying that they are the winner. Proclaimed. Both sides have proclaimed victory. Equals both sides have made proclamations. That's the noun. In today's game, number 7, guarantee, is also a noun. Game over. That was fun. How did you do? What's your name? What language do you speak at home? Did you shuffle cards before? Did you rearrange the furniture in your place before? Why? When do you unfasten your seatbelt? When you leave or when you arrive somewhere? Excellent. You're doing very well today. I'll see you next time, everybody. My name is Vinny. Bye-bye.